Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply overlays on CapCut PC and how you can blend it. So select your video right here and go to add in any overlay that you want. I'm just going to select one from a library. I'm going to select I literally just had, okay, here you go. This is like the basketball overlay, and I want the black background to go. So simply go to basic, go to blend mode, and choose brighten or screen. I suggest choosing the screen one because you can see it better. And then to blend like white stock videos with like a black outline. You can just select the overlay, go to blend mode, and choose darken instead. And that's it. Super simple in my opinion. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!